G, I think we got one.
I need your lifestyle. Like, comment, subscribe. Don't play with me. Dale.
Never nigga hard as me. Never nigga hard as me. Pull up in the MRT. Pull up in the MRT. Put that little bitch on E. Never nigga hard as me. Never nigga hard as me. Pull up in the MRT. Never nigga hard as me. Never nigga hard as me. What it do, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, man. Your boy back with another video. So I wanted to do it behind the scenes, you know, on my giveaway on my channel for this giveaway. So this is what I got going on right now. I got everything set up. Alright, y'all. I'm going live. Here you go. About to start. 2 more minutes. Go ahead and pre-game. And shake it on up, shake it on up. Let's go. Who's the winners? So this is the raffle box right here. Now you know I got everyone's name in. And of course I'm gonna have Aiden pick out the winners. So we got about maybe like 10 more minutes left. So you know I got everything set up. This the camera right here. This will be the first place winner right here. And basically I'll be doing it from third, second to first place, you know, so I'll be announcing the third place winner first, and then the second, and then the first. So I'll pick the camera back up when it's time to go live. See y'all in a minute. Oh yeah, this the Canon G7X. This is the camera I use for my YouTube channel. That's a great camera as well. I hope whoever wins this GoPro is like, you know, put a good use to it, you know. If you're already a YouTuber, that'll be, you know, even great for y'all guys. It's a great camera too. Oh yeah, the reason I didn't get the 10 too, cause it wouldn't have got here in time. So I had to get the 9, but which is still a great camera as well though. Yeah, I had to get the 9 because I would have got the 10. It wouldn't got here in time. So, but it's still also a great camera. You know, basically still got the same features of the 9. I mean of the 10. All right, guys, y'all ready for the big moment, for this big giveaway? All right, ready? You guys ready? Give it a good old shake, good old shake. Let's go. Ready, Ada? Yeah. Y'all ready? Here we go. Alright. No, you can't look down. Just put your hand in the box. And pick one. Third place winner. Third place winner. Third place winner is Baddie Lee. Congratulations, Baddie Lee. Third place winner. I don't know, the camera can't pick up that. But Baddie Lee is the third place winner. Y'all got it? Y'all ready? Okay. Is Baddie Lee on here? Y'all tag Baddie Lee on Instagram for me. Tag on Instagram for me or YouTube. She is the third place winner, and she won $25. Third place won $25. Baddie Lee, congratulations. All right, y'all ready? Second place winner, $100. Let's go. Cross y'all fingers, y'all. Let's go.
Mrs. E.
Mrs. E! Congratulations, Mrs. E! $100! And she's one of the ones that did, you know, an outstanding job by, you know, by sharing and rewatching the videos. And I put her name in twice. Mrs. E, congratulations. $100. Mrs. E. Congrats, congrats. Alright, y'all, cross your fingers. One more. Hello, Ada. Get her in good shape. First place winner, guys. GoPro Hero 9. Let's go. Y'all ready? So the third place winner, Danny Lee. Second place winner, Mrs. E. First place, y'all. MJ. Whatever it is. Oh yeah, okay. That's also one of the ones that went the extra mile and was sharing the videos. Congratulations. We won the camera. Let's go. I appreciate all y'all for the love and support. I will be doing another giveaway soon. Make sure y'all subscribe, like, comment, and share all my videos. Thanks. See y'all in the next one. Alright, y'all, just finished off the giveaway. Just ended the stream. Congratulations to all the winners. Baddie Lee was the third place. Second winner was Mrs. E. First place was MJ. Congratulations to all the winners. Yes, sir. See y'all in the next one.
I keep it out with me. You know I'm trying to get it.
They catch me slipping, I keep it out with me. I'm trying to get it, like way up to the ceiling. Don't hit my line, and we ain't about no business. You ain't gotta tell me, they know I am the realest. They catch me slipping, I keep it out with me. I'm trying to get it, like way up to the ceiling. Don't hit my line.